Hey folks, thanks for joining Glaze's Geezer Garage. We're going to do a short here today, changing the rear brakes on a 2016 Nissan Pathfinder. So thanks for joining. Let's get to this little task. First thing you do when you get it jacked up is make sure you have jack stands in the appropriate spot. Safety first. So here I am just loosening and removing the caliper on the driver's side. And then we're going to jump over to the passenger side. So here you're removing the wheel, of course. Now I'm coming in here and I'm removing 4 bolts to remove the caliper. There's 2 that hold the caliper bracket and 2 that hold the caliper onto the bracket. You take those off, you remove that, remove the old discs, and then what you do is you start removing the rotor, which you'll see here in a couple seconds. There we go. I'm going to bang around on that rotor without doing any damage. You can see it came off pretty easy. Now I'm taking a wire brush, cleaning everything up, vacuuming everything up. I like to keep things clean. That brake dust gets on your floor and it doesn't like to come off. A little bit of never sees. Okay guys. Start to finish, it was about 8:30 when I started on this Nissan Pathfinder rear brake pads and rotors. Finished up at right around 11 o'clock, a little before 11, so not bad. I had a little difficulty. One reason the inside passenger side was wore out was because the caliper was sticking on the slide bolt. So I had spent some time getting that out, cleaning it up, relubing that, make sure everything works. So I'm gonna take it for a little test ride here. Thanks for watching Glaze's Geezer Garage. Appreciate it. We do domestic work too, as I call it. This is my wife's car, so probably saved $200-300 doing it myself. I think I had $215 in it. So, and that's the better pads and rotors. So thanks a lot, AutoZone.